get it on there. Oh, the front one's so high up.
No, you gotta come around to the other side, bro. Alright. Well done, sir. Thank you.
No, it just rammed into the... Babe, just rammed into the brush.
Well done, Noah.
Wow, me up, stop, bro. I'm liking in the kayak. Not really. This is before I go.
You did really well, Noah. Good job.
We need another canoe. Alright. Could do.